Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how you can easily follow someone on TradingView. So let's say that I have the Victor Cobra here. What you need to do is like write TradingView on your browser.com, and then you go like Victor Cobra here, or like whatever. Click on the guy or the girl, woman or man, and then you're gonna have the message here, cheer or follow. And I'm going to click follow. And then it's following, and I can also cheer to him if I want, but that's something you can do. And this is how we do it. Right then you're gonna see it here in your, or actually following. See, you can message, etc. Pretty straightforward and pretty easy. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.